Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Walker Mill local and long-distance movers near me. You can enjoy your first visit to the new location while our movers take care of your valuables. You can trust us to complete our job carefully and timely. Our staff is highly trained in packing all your things securely, including all your furniture, electronics, and other possessions. We provide customized moving solutions for your particular needs. Here are our essential moving services. We provide you with transparent pricing right from the beginning with no hidden charges. Our trainers are highly trained in managing the complexities of every unique move. Our experts will keep you informed about every little detail regarding your move until it's finished. We are highly stoked with all moving-related equipments. We are dedicated to the timely and safe delivery of your possessions. We provide instant free move quote for every move before starting the process. Our specialized packaging techniques save your belongings from damage and scratch. If any damage happens, our insurance policies cover it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Walker Mill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.